extreme time constraints, as they say. Other than this, it's not the neatest thing you've ever seen in your life, but it's solid, so yeah, if you don't like my welding, go find a better channel, because I'm not a good welder, as you can see. But yeah, it'll do. That looks like it's not completely done from the other side, but I will finish it off anyway, and etc, etc. There we go, so we're jumping over to spot welding the sill on. I mean, this I know isn't the right way, people are going to dig me. Just holding it in place so I know what I'm doing. Stop being a critic. Anyway, blasted it on there for now. Same on there. It's all cut back off nice and easy. That's all been rust treated. Hoping not flammable stuff, but still. Jack and point thing is in the right place, I think. There's a bit of a gap here, which when I first cut it there wasn't, but there is now, so you know, I'll worry about that later. This obviously is supposed to be further in. These door, like extra sort of panel things, door steps are a bit shite, so again, figure that out once I get the door on and blah de blah de blah. This bit was mega rotten, so I've cut it out, so I'm going to try and use some steel to make some kind of plate to go back in there like there was. Someone else had already done this bodge before, you can still see the remnants of their old welding. It's very similar to mine, right? Shite. So I'm going to try and make some plate to go back in there, and then go from there. And probably going to take some of the floor out as I go, but if I keep cutting too much out, I'm going to really struggle to get the shape right, so I'm going to cut that out first. Probably straighten this off across here to make life a little easier. Weld something in there, and then you know, just keep building bits as I go. There we go, you get the idea. So we're going to make a plate to go in like that. Obviously bend it a bit better. I'll probably, once I clean it all up, tack it in place and then get the shape right, cut it off in line with this door thing that goes down, and build the rest around that. But yeah, that's the idea. Looks like it'll fit kind of alright, that. So yeah, let's do that. Final update. Really bodge welded all that there, held it in place, etc, etc. This you're going to love. Look at my patchwork quilt I put in the corner. I am going to buy a new floor, I've already decided, but I just wanted to try and make it look somewhat new. Well, not new, but you know what I mean. This is exactly what it looked like before. I see why someone's done it, but made some bits, very badly welded them in. And there on this side. Obviously from this side it's going to look even worse. I mean, I haven't finished any of it, but once the sill's over the top of it, and I need to cut this inner sill piece out here anyway. Yeah, you wouldn't even see it, but you know, either way, I'm going to buy a new floor. I might even buy a new sill thing, because it wasn't big enough, it wasn't tall enough here. So whether it's because I cut so much door out because it's rotten there, I don't know, so I'm going to have to either rebuild it or I don't know. But yeah, that's how you build a very terrible inside floor when you weld it all up. I mean, it's strong, there is that. So we'll continue next time.